In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize and reposition the reading pane. If your email layout feels a little cramped or the message preview area is taking up too much space, adjusting the reading pane can make a big difference. This is a simple change, but it can really improve how comfortable and efficient your inbox feels while you work. To begin, move your mouse to the border between the message list and the reading pane. This is the dividing line that separates your list of emails from the area where the selected message is displayed. As you hover over that border, watch your cursor closely. When it changes to a resize icon, that's your signal that the border can be adjusted. Once the cursor changes, click and drag the border. You can drag it left or right, or in some layouts up or down, depending on how your reading pane is currently positioned. As you drag, the size of the reading pane will change in real time. This lets you control how much space is given to your email list and how much is reserved for reading messages. If you prefer seeing more of each message without opening it fully, make the reading pane larger. If you want to focus more on scanning through your inbox, shrink it a bit to give the message list more room. If you want to change not just the size, but also the location of the reading pane, go to the View menu. From there, select Reading Pane. You'll see options to place it on the right or at the bottom. Choosing right places the message preview beside your inbox list, which is helpful if you like a side-by-side layout. Choosing bottom moves the preview underneath the list, which can be useful if you prefer seeing more horizontal space in your inbox. Try both positions to see which one works best for your screen size and your reading style. On wider screens, the pane on the right often feels more natural. On smaller screens, the bottom position may give you a cleaner view of your messages. After making these adjustments, your inbox should feel more customized and easier to use. Small layout changes like this can save time and make everyday email tasks feel much smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.